Hey YouTube friends, it is me. So, couple things for you today. Promise it won't be long, but it should be interesting. At least enlightening, I would say. So today I have two things for you. I have an explanation and a confession, both of which I think are long overdue. Right after this kick-ass intro. Boom. Welcome back. Glad you stayed. Happy to see you. So there I was, sitting on my couch and studying for my upcoming helicopter written exam. I was also binging YouTube videos in the background. Now, I don't know about you, but my YouTube viewing generally starts out with, well, one, given Jenna Marbles, or two, photography, cinematography videos. But it always somehow devolves into self-help. I'm kind of a big self-help guru, always trying to make improvements on me. And I came across a few videos that explained what to do when you're first starting out as a YouTuber. And I immediately realized the error of my ways. And one fundamental thing I've been missing from my few videos that I have been able to upload. First thing, do I do explanation or confession? Let's add a bonus. How about an apology? I sincerely apologize that I have neglected to do this thus far and it's taken me this long. I promise I will not neglect to do it again. So, from the bottom of my heart, please accept my apology. Here it is. Drumroll, please. I have been working diligently on my channel without ever introducing myself. So here I am, just expecting you guys to happen upon my video, click on it, and continue watching without knowing who the hell I am or what my channel is about. So for the confession, although I know I seem like a pro, I am actually brand new to social media as of August 2019. I don't know what I'm doing quite yet. I didn't even have an Instagram account until 8 months ago. So I started my company, my Instagram, my YouTube, and a Facebook page basically all in the same week. Needless to say, there's a steep learning curve just like anything else, and hopefully I get progressively better. Should I make any major omissions or missteps or just outright mistakes and you think to yourself, what in the hell is wrong with her? Just remember, I'm like a toddler when it comes to social media. A bit about me. My name is Tiff Getty. I'm from South Dakota. I have 5 brothers. I'm a bit of a tomboy and a nomad. I love to travel. I also like to be at home and chill, but traveling anywhere, take that any day. I would live out of my car and eat granola bars if necessary. I love photography. I love helicopters. I love my German Shepherds. And I'm happy to be here with you guys. I am hoping to achieve some measure of success with this channel and have a larger scale audience and put out more content, quality content. Right now, one of my main goals in making these initial YouTube videos is to sit still. I fidget. So I'm doing my best just to fucking sit still. I think I'm getting better. If I start to bounce or fidget, please let me know. I'll knock it off. I am formulating an intro. Need something quick, something to keep your attention. Haven't really come up with it yet. And here is where I politely request help from you guys. I'm gonna spitball some intro ideas. Will you guys let me know which one you like the best, which is the most effective or impactful, or if I just blow it all together. If you have any other suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I absolutely welcome any feedback or ideas you guys may have. Just recording. And cinematography. And fuck. Hey friends, it's Tiff. What's up? Life is short. Do cool shit. Quit your job. Go on adventures. Take lots of photos. Share them with me. I've spoken. Hey, I'm Tiff. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I live in a house with my 2 dogs. I have no exotic pets or any other attention-grabbing things. Now, I want wolves, but that's a story for another day. Also, I don't live in a van. Not yet, anyway. In fact, if you see me living in a van anytime soon, it's not by choice. Business has been slow. Hey, my name is Tiff Getty, and welcome to my channel. I decided a few years ago that life is short and fragile, and I didn't like going to a desk every day. So I quit my job and decided to pursue photography full-time. Hi, I'm Tiff, and I don't live in a van. Welcome to my channel. With this channel, I just want to teach everything I know, tips, tricks, everything I continue to learn about photography and cinematography. I am here to make life easier for you. I look forward to the journey. We're gonna have a kick-ass time. Mwah! What'd you think? Nailed it? Thought so. Anyway, that's all for this video. Just wanted to introduce myself and say I am very sorry I forgot to do that at the outset. I will ensure to include intros in my videos from here on out. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button. I will see you soon.